Hello, welcome to my channel. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. I will give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly could skip through and start practicing right away. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.